Honorable Minister Sri D. Sridhar Babu Garu, respected Honorable MLA Sri Rajesh Reddy Garu, respected Chairman Sri Manne Satish Garu, respected Chairman CEO Sri Praveen Reddy Garu, respected Director Srimati Sujini Praveen Reddy Garu, respected members, friends, everyone present here. It is a proud privilege to me the launch or opening of this office. We are witnessing here infrastructure of global standards here, who is going to set benchmark for future sustainable technologies. 1.5 decade back, this e-apps was started with few experts of Oracle. Now, after 15 years, we have seen here the aspiration which was started for providing exceptional innovation and value to customer. They have made it a reality, and we have also witnessed the AV visuals here. We have seen the footages where everyone were expressing their pleasure, their happiness, and we were also informed that they have achieved a learning experience and growth from these e-apps. I congratulate from the bottom of my heart Sri Praveen Reddy Garu, who has started with 2 people. Today he has providing 220 members employment here, who is going to reach to the global level with their efficiency. We have here amongst us our Honorable IT Minister, who is performance oriented. He is a very veteran senior minister. I have been watching him from past 25 years, who is always in power whenever the government comes. He is a minister, and he is a person who is leading from the front and leading by example. We are very privileged to have him here, and also our Honorable Chairman here. And this first branch was inaugurated in our Malapur division at Kakatiya Hills. It is a great asset to us. I congratulate once again all the organizers and everyone here. All the best. Thank you.